In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase on Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure the file you want to work on is already visible on your canvas, so you can clearly see the image or drawing you plan to edit. This helps you work more accurately and makes the editing process smoother from the very beginning. Next, select the image or drawing you want to edit. This is an important step because Adobe Express needs to know exactly which element you want to change. If your project has multiple layers, graphics, or photos, take a second to click the correct one before moving on. Once your image is selected, go to the left panel and click Erase. This opens the erasing controls and gives you access to the tools you'll use to remove parts of the image. If you don't see the expected result right away, just confirm that the correct image is still selected. Before you begin erasing, take a moment to review the settings in the left panel. First, choose the brush option, then adjust the brush size, hardness, and opacity based on the kind of edit you want to make. A larger brush is helpful for removing bigger areas quickly, while a smaller brush gives you more precision around edges and details. Hardness affects how sharp or soft the edge of your brush feels, and opacity controls how strong the erasing effect appears. Spending a little time on these settings can make your edits look much cleaner and more natural. When your brush is set the way you want, start brushing over the area you want to remove. Move carefully, especially around important details, so you only erase what you intend to erase. If you're working on a detailed section, slower strokes usually give you better control than rushing through it. After you've erased the area you wanted to remove, click Done on the left panel. This applies your changes and exits the erase tool so you can continue working on the rest of your project. And that's it. That's how to erase on Adobe Express. It's a simple tool, but adjusting the brush settings before you start can make a big difference in the final result. With just a few clicks and a little careful brushing, you can quickly clean up an image or refine your design directly inside your project.